Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your friendly guide to the wonderful world of English. Today we're diving into a super common and, well, easy word, easy. That's right, we're going to explore everything about the adjective easy, which means not difficult. It's an A1 level word, so perfect for beginners, but even advanced learners can benefit from a refresher. So what does easy really mean? Simply put, it describes something that doesn't require much effort or skill. It's something you can do without struggling too much. Think of it like this. Learning a new language can be challenging, but understanding the word easy? That's easy. Now, let's explore some synonyms, words that have similar meanings to easy. One great synonym is simple. For example, instead of saying the test was easy, you could say the test was simple. Another synonym is straightforward. You might say, the instructions were straightforward, meaning they were easy to understand. We can also use the word effortless. She made the performance look effortless implies that it was easy for her, though it might not be for everyone. Another good one is painless. The surgery was painless suggests that the experience was easy to get through. And finally, consider the word elementary, often used when talking about learning. The concepts in the first chapter are quite elementary, meaning they are basic and easy to grasp. Now, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms, words that have opposite meanings to easy. The most obvious antonym is difficult. The puzzle was very difficult is the direct opposite of saying the puzzle was very easy. Another antonym is hard. You could say, the exam was hard, meaning it wasn't easy at all. We also have challenging. Climbing that mountain was extremely challenging, suggests it was anything but easy. Another antonym is complicated. Think of it like this. The instructions were very complicated, therefore, they were not easy. And let's not forget arduous. The journey to the top of the mountain was arduous, indicating that it was a long, difficult, and not easy trip. So, how can you use easy in everyday life? Well, everywhere. You can say take it easy as a way of saying goodbye or telling someone to relax. You might say, that's easy peasy, lemon squeezy, to show how simple something is. You could also say, it's an easy fix, meaning the problem can be resolved quickly and without much trouble. Another common expression is the easy way out, which refers to choosing the simplest, often less responsible, solution. He took the easy way out and quit. Let's look at some more examples in sentences and phrases. This recipe is really easy to follow. Learning English grammar isn't always easy. She found an easy solution to the problem. It's easy to get lost in this city if you don't have a map. The easy part is over. Now comes the hard work. He's an easygoing person. He doesn't get stressed easily. Don't take the easy route. Challenge yourself. Making friends in a new place isn't always easy. It's easy to criticize, but harder to offer solutions. Living in this country is easy because the people are so friendly. Think about your daily routine. What tasks do you consider easy? Perhaps making your morning coffee is easy. Maybe writing an email to a friend is easy. Or perhaps for you, understanding English is becoming more and more easy. The more you practice, the more easy it becomes. Remember that things that seem difficult at first can become easy with practice. Don't be discouraged by the difficult aspects of learning English. Focus on the easy wins and gradually build your skills. Learning any new skill, be it a language, a sport, or a musical instrument, has its easy and difficult phases. Embrace the easy moments and persevere through the difficult ones. So, to recap, easy means not difficult. We explored synonyms like simple, straightforward, effortless, painless, and elementary. We also looked at antonyms like difficult, hard, challenging, complicated, and arduous. We learned how easy is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. We also saw numerous examples of easy in sentences and phrases. And most importantly, we discovered that even something that seems difficult can become easy with time and effort. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode informative and, well, easy to understand. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. And if you're feeling generous, please leave a review. Your support helps other learners discover Hello Word. Now, here's your challenge. I want you to create your own sentence using the word easy. Share your sentence as a comment below this video. I can't wait to read your creative examples. Until next time, take it easy.